So Billy, how are those sweet potatoes? Oh, oh, oh! Come on, let's have another bite of sweet potatoes. You don't know? Is it kind of weird? Let's have another bite. Let's have another bite. Come on. It's yummy. Yum, yum. Uh-oh. Is Billy having sweet potatoes? Come on, Billy. Let's have some more. Let's have some more sweet potatoes. Billy. Can you say Billy? Yum. Yum, yum. Uh-huh. Yum, yum. Yum, yum. I think that other plum may have got tossed into the fish pond. Because he had 2 plums. And now he has 1 plum.
Are you eating a solid food?
His puree is solid. I think so. I think so. It's not milk. That's what Daddy said. It's not milk. Oh, and right back out. Oh, are you all done? Are you all done? This isn't the normal stuff, Mommy. It's not the normal stuff. Oh, was that delicious? Was that delicious? Yeah. Oh, one more bite before you start chewing on your thumb? Okay. Do you think that's enough for the first time ever? Yeah, I'd rather eat my thumb. That's a tasty thumb. Yum, yum, yum. Yeah. Yeah. Billy got some more vaccines today. 18 pounds, 26 inches.
I actually don't see it out there.
Alright, bye-bye.